That's what we need to do, get this off, get this lens off, and then get the inside reflectors ready for spraying. Yes people, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be spraying the deflectors black. So I've been thinking about doing this modification for quite some time now. The modification process should be fairly easy. I really can't wait to see what the finished product is going to look like. So peeps, before we go any further, if you like these types of modification videos, I want you to hit that subscribe button right now. Not only that, please like, share, comment, and the rest of that good stuff. Alright people, so let's get straight into it. Alright people, so first things first, the inside reflector bits that I want to spray. Get this headlight off, get this lens off, get the inside reflectors ready for spraying. Deflectors all sprayed up, primed, sprayed, looking good. I'm very happy with the result of how these came out. Absolutely well impressed with that. So So yeah, all dried up and ready to be fitted back in. So let's get them fitted back in and see what it's saying. Now we're gonna seal up the headlight. It's looking really good if I'm honest. So yeah, shout out bro, came to save the day. Come seal up the headlight because I weren't buying sealant. Because I know when you buy a sealant it comes as a tube and then you're gonna have to buy the gun in as well, innit? Am I correct?
Yeah.
Well, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, shout out bro again. So yeah, let's seal this up and get these back on the car. Catch back with you guys in a sec. Alright people, so there you have it, the headlight reflectors sprayed on the Mini Cooper S. In truth though people, I really should have restored the headlight lenses in this video, so that can be for another video maybe, or who knows. But for this video I am very happy with the end result and how the headlight reflectors came out with the black spray on it. So that is it for this video guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that good stuff, and we will catch you up on the next one. Till then, take care, stay safe.